we saw a wild turkey, we saw a horsey.
A dead squirrel.
Where?
On the side of the road, I saw.
I didn't see it. I did not see it. There's a, what is that, a groundhog or something? A little one.
Dead or still alive?
No, it's still alive. There's a bunch of buses over there.
I think we're getting close to Cherokee. Memory serves me right, you just run right into the town.
Yeah.
It wasn't as big, but it was kind of like Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg, where they had different things on the side of the road. That's where I told you we stopped at one time, and had like gambling machines. I put $10 in, they give you a dollar coin.
Yeah.
And I was up, I don't know, 50, 60, 70 bucks. I should have stopped.
And you lost it all?
Except for $1. I saved $1. I still got the coin at home.
Jeez.
Yeah. It's just one of those things, you know. I think they did it on purpose so you'd keep going. You know, let you win a little bit. Hopefully you stay there and keep feeding the machines.
There's a bunch of forts over there. Blue Ridge Parkway, next left.
Oh, well, I think that's what we're going to get on.
Yay!
No, maybe not.
No?
No. Cherokee straight. Maybe we'll have to come back up and get on that.
Yeah.
That's supposed to be a nice ride through there.
Yeah.
Stop it. Here's that little area.
Ooh. Butt sore.
Already?
Yeah. I think it's how I was sitting.
You got a big butt. You should be all the cushion you need.
Chief Sunoco's trading post.
Yeah.
We're turning left.
Yep.
Factory outlet. Mini golf.
There's a lady rider.
Ice cream and sandwiches.
See, this is a little Cherokee place. Like I said, if you see anything you want to stop at, see, we could have spent the night down here.
Yeah. Baymont Inn.
Yeah. Here's a little shack.
Yep.
Oh, we got a roundabout to go through.
Wow.
Just your favorite thing, huh?
Yeah.
Brenda and her roundabouts.
I don't like them.
Well, we're in North Carolina.
Cherokee.
Gonna stop at the Harley shop and then head back up towards our cabin that we got till Friday. Gonna kind of kick back and relax for today. Must be like a lazy river or something. Turner. Ooh,
Well, that's pretty neat.
yeah.
Road's kind of crappy.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's just down there on the left a little bit. I didn't see any restaurants, did you?
Well, we went through there where I saw one. Just one.
I think on the map here it says Coquilla Java Cafe, so it's probably something down here. We can check. Oh, right there's the Harley-Davidson.
I'll go on the left of you.
Okay, you do that.
There's Pizza Inn, Roger.
Where?
And there's Fresh Deli. You just walk across the street.
Oh, if they allow us to park here.
To ask them.
I'm turning off the whole thing.